If your Gemini or Google Assistant is completely deactivated on your Samsung Galaxy A37 and now you want to re-enable it, it is pretty straightforward. To activate Gemini, you just have to go to the Gemini app. You will have this turn on button, so you want to tap over here. You might also see this welcome to Gemini menu, so you want to tap on use Gemini. And that's pretty much all. Now you should be able to use Gemini again. Of course, if you want to use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, you want to tap on your Google profile in the upper right corner, and then in here you can find switch to Google Assistant, and of course we can make that switch in here. Also, of course, if you want to, you can attach the Gemini or Google Assistant to the power button. So if you press and hold the power button, you will activate that assistant. You want to open the settings. If that's the case, go to advanced features, then over here choose the side button. Over here we're gonna go to the long press, and you want to make sure the digital assistant is selected in here. Leave a like and subscribe.